Absolutely. We do have some of our storm chasers out and about. You can see I have the radar right now zoomed up to near Wichita Falls. Let's take our Jason McLaughlin shot. He has been near the Wichita Falls area. He's continuing to drive around. As you can see, the dark clouds are there off in the distance as he's pulled off to the side of the road just a little bit. So the storms are going up out towards our west and to the northwest. And this is what's interesting. You look at this picture thinking, well, maybe there's a tornado there. Remember, you have to look at the horizon and see if anything's touching the ground, but definitely showing the anvil of these storms that are going up. Let's come back to the maps right now to show you what's going on. So Jason's right near the Wichita Falls area. You can see some severe thunderstorm warnings for Jackson, Kiowa, and Tillman counties in parts of Oklahoma. And just north of there, already seeing some tornado warnings for Comanche and Kiowa counties as this whole entire system is pushing its way to the east and to the northeast. The reason I bring that up is this is very close to the area of low pressure that will track its way east and the dry line that increases our severe threat later tonight. So the severe storm threats are damaging wind gusts up to near 50 to 60 miles per hour. That's the highest category. Large hail also possible. The tornado threat, it's not non-existent, so we could see some spin-ups along this line that's going to move its way on in. And we do have now an enhanced risk of severe storms for the majority of the Metroplex, slight risk for the remainder of North Texas. And you're thinking, well, let's bounce back and forth as we've gone through the past 24 hours. But the big story is stay weather aware. Looking at this map, you see all of these arrows. Those indicate the southerly winds pumping up that moisture here in North Texas for the dry line to work with. And you notice by 7 to 8, seeing some of those storms then developing ahead of the dry line in our northwest counties, maybe some supercell storms developing. But then as we go into the 8 to 9 o'clock time frame, a squall line's coming together. So as the dry line starts to weaken a bit, the cold front overtakes the dry line, we see the squall line come together. So when that happens, your damaging wind threat really goes up when you have this linear storm system between about 9 to near about 10 and 11. It's making its way through the Metroplex. Then in the east sides of North Texas, they continue to make its way east as we go into the early morning hours here, 2 to 3. And by the time you wake up tomorrow morning, seeing sunny skies on the way. So where's the rain right now? The rain and storms, as you can see, developing right along that dry line, as I just showed you. So pretty good initialization with that forecast model, meaning has a good handle on what's happening. So this line is starting to develop even more, continue to make its way off to the still more than 143 miles west of Fort Worth. So we'll watch this as we go through the next few hours. There's a tornado watch just towards our west and to the northwest. Does not include North Texas, does include Montague County. But again, we're going to continue to see our threat level really go up between the 9 to about 1 o'clock in the morning time frame. Windy conditions ahead of that, so those storms are on the way as we go into tonight. Our rain and storm chances going up to about 90%. And then we're not done with the rain. Going through the week ahead, I do expect to see more showers and storms on Tuesday. We'll see 86 degrees, Wednesday 82, some flooding rains possible throughout midweek. Then a cold front arrives on Friday. Rain chances with that at 40%. But then after that, look at these temperatures. Fall air is in place by next Sunday morning, flirting with maybe the upper 40s for our morning temperatures. In the afternoon, sunny skies and 74.